I started editing this DIY video and I realized that this might confuse a few of you. Okay, so what I did was I used every YouTube method I've ever seen on YouTube to make a glitter DIY wall. And in using those methods, I realized that they don't really work. So I came up with my own method. But you're going to watch me do trial and error throughout this video, and then you will see how I got to this successful glitter wall. Okay, so if you want to see how I got this glitter wall that is right here behind me, then keep on watching, okay? And I'm sorry I look a mess, okay? It's really late at night.
So then I thought maybe if I could just use the Elmer's glue, the clear, that this would actually work just as well, and it's a lot cheaper. I don't really remember how much I got it from, but I'll put all the information in the description bar below. So I'm not even sure if I have enough to finish my entire wall, but I'm using what I have available, and my son will be helping me. So I have 3 of these, in which I got from Michael's. I have 1 of these. I just want to add this in just for like a little added pop here and there. And then I got this from Amazon, and I will leave the link to this as well. So I'm going to pour it all into this container, and then we'll see how it goes. So first we'll pour in the glue. I'm just going to do a little bit at a time because I'm not sure how fast this dries. I mean, I really don't know anything about this particular glue at all. Can you pass me a bag? Pass the bag. So I don't want to go like, So yeah, I don't really want to go like extra ham, cheese, and bologna because I don't know. So we're just going to be trying out a little spot first. Okay, I'm fighting with the packaging. Okay, I'll have my son open that while I move on to something that might be slightly easier. So I'm just going to use this whole or half. There's actually a lot more glitter in here than I thought it would be. Okay, so I use half of that. This is like a fine glitter.
That's already got glitter on you.
It's already on you?
Yeah.
I used half of that. This is going to be glitter everywhere. Mm-hmm. And then, like I said, just for like an added pop, I'm not even sure if it's going to be noticeable or not. We'll throw in some of this for good measure. Not measuring anything at all. And then I'm going to take our little sponge brush. Also, we got this from, I don't even remember, Michael's. Okay, I'm getting a little scared. So I'm getting a little scared because it's like spreading everywhere, but maybe I should have used.
What is that?
Yeah, pour in just a little bit more. I don't know. All right, so this is with the light on. I need to clean up this corner over here, and I'm going to try to do it while it's wet. I do like it. We'll see what happens after it dries, and we're going to do another side, which would be the side over there with the Mod Podge. But the first round, we're just going to try it with the clear glue, because if this really works, guys, save bodies. So we are back. So now I'm going to try it with the Mod Podge. Now I do see gaps in. Oh gosh, shit drips everywhere. I do see gaps over here, but because it's still wet, I can't even deal with it. I'll have to wait till it dries. Also, I found that if I just paint it almost like I'm painting a wall, the up and down stroke, at least it feathers a little better so that it doesn't look so harsh where it might be more glitter than other spots. Now here's the thing with the Mod Podge, and I won't have a full analysis of it until I am done this wall. But I don't think I'm going to continue past this mixture that we've already made. Show them inside. I told you guys I would try it, but I don't think that past this mixture, thank you, baby, that we've made, that I'm going to continue with it, because I don't like the fact that I can't judge it. I can't judge if I needed more glitter. I can't judge when I have a patch that I know I need to go over, because the Mod Podge is white and it dries clear, but it's initially white. So right now, to me, it doesn't look as good. I don't know. It could be perfect. But for me, right now, the way I feel, and I will update you guys when it does dry down a little bit, because it does move a lot quicker and a lot faster than the Elmer's glue. That took me about, how long did it take me? About 15 minutes, 20 minutes? Mm-hmm. Yeah, it took me like 15, 20 minutes, whereas I'm moving quicker with the Mod Podge. Absolutely. Now, here's the thing about that, though. Maybe the Elmer's glue is thicker, so it gives me a thicker glue base. Like, I'm not sure if I'm going to have to go over this wall 100 times because the mixture is so thin. I can't judge it. I just don't know. I just don't know. So, for me, I'm going to let this dry down. My son was going to help me tonight. I think what we're going to do probably is hold off on that tonight and just finish up this little bit of mixture we have and let it dry down, and then come back and look at it tomorrow to see like how we feel about it. Like, I do see, like, right here, show them right here. Right here. It's clumping over here. So you do have to like keep an eye on it because it drips. So that's the downside to the Elmer's glue, that you do have to like keep an eye on it. And listen, I might very well come back and say use both. One for the thickness and then one to go back and do a slight coverage with. But I just feel like this is so super thin. Like, it feels so super thin to me. Like, from what I was just used to when I was doing the Elmer's glue, you know? Because of the weight of it will settle at the bottom, so you might want to just keep pushing it around, pushing it around, pushing it around. And for me, I'll probably